Hey guys, it's Irish. In this video, I was going to show you how to automatically start applications up in i3 Window Manager, and then also to show you guys that you can set a particular application to a particular workspace. So let's just go into the configuration file here. As you see down here, the assign is you're assigning the application, whatever it is, to a workspace. So in this line 182, let me increase the size really quick. As you see, it says assign, and then in brackets, class equals, in parentheses, and then the up arrow, which should be shift 6, VLC $, end it. And then you don't really necessarily have to have this arrow, but it's just stating that it's going to go to workspace 6. So if you had if you named your workspaces, then you would say VLC or whatever you named the workspace. But again, you do not need this arrow. It just looks fancy and it just looks a lot cleaner than just having a 6 right there. So I'll just show you guys what this looks like. So if I wanted to open VLC, I would go into D menu VLC. Now it doesn't show up in the current one, but if you notice down here, my number 6 workspace shows up. So it doesn't matter if I'm in, say, number 10. If I go VLC, it will automatically go to number 6. So that's how to set a particular app to a particular workspace. This is it can be handy, especially if you're just getting so much. You just on your screen you just have too much workspaces, or I meant too many applications. So this is how you would do it. So if you wanted to do VLC or Firefox or Chrome or whatever, then you would just do assign class, then your Firefox. Make sure you capitalize Firefox, and then you could set it to whatever workspace you want. The second thing I was going to show you, I've gotten a few people who've actually switched over to i3, and they were curious on how to actually move, or as you start up i3, to make a particular application or a set of applications go into particular workspaces. So if we go here, line 177, you would just do execute and then the no startup ID, because that just eliminates the circle or like the hourglass effect, and then i3 dash message, and then in single parentheses you're going to go workspace 1 and then whatever you named it, and then you would just go semicolon execute and then the path to this. So if I wanted to start up Firefox, you can also just do exec Firefox, but I just like to use the pathway from it. Also, if you one more thing, if you guys want, there is a simplistic way of, if you want to go to a particular workspace, say like workspace 2 or 3, and you want to open, as you press workspace 2 or whatever, you want to open up a particular application, then you would just come up here and say in number 4 here, I wanted to open up Thunar, which is my file browser. So I would just do exec Thunar, save this, make sure you refresh. So now if I move over to workspace 4, it automatically comes up on here. Again, this is very simplistic, and so it's just something if you just don't want to fuss about, because I did have some issues getting these startup apps and also the assign apps to work for me. So maybe it was because it just didn't capitalize certain things, or whatnot. So that's it for this video. I am gonna show you guys in a future video on how to save your i3 layout. So just make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. The i3 docs are a fabulous way um, to get this, especially this layout here. It does come there in the i3.org website, then docs, and then I'll leave a link down below. But that is it. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll catch you later.